Okay. Let's go with the questions. Please, Sheikh, can you detail in which asset we need to pay zakat? Zakat has to be paid in your cash money today we have, the currencies that you have, and the minimum amount that which you could buy from that amount 885 gram of gold. If you have that much amount by which you can buy the 85 gram of gold or 625 grams of silver, if you have cash amount by which you can buy this, now you have to pay zakat in your money, in your savings. If you don't have the cash but you have got 85 grams of gold, or you have got 85 to 625 grams of silver, you have that in its originality, then you have to pay zakat for gold and silver. If you have number of cows, and that is again a big list is there. If you have got certain number of camels, if you have got certain number of goats, like 40 goats and something like that, it's a big list. I don't recall each and every number now, but this is how you have certain amounts of number of goats, or certain numbers of cows, or certain number of camels, then you have to pay the zakat on that. Or you have lands which you are earning, getting rent from that, or you have shops, or you have buildings or houses, or you have got crops, have cultivated lands from which you grow crops. Then all these are the things you have to pay zakat on that after the calculation is made.